welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. First off, I wanted to say, if you have not watched my last vlog, which was in Paris with my sister, the link is in the description. Same thing goes for the one before that, which was which was Spain, where I visited my best friend Kat. So both of those are super good, both are in the description, go click it. Well, I just went downstairs and the first comment I got from my parents was, "Where did your pants go?" So, who knows, it's a mystery. Anyway, over the last month or so, I've gone thrifting probably 3-4 times, something like that, and I got some really good goodies. So I took it upon myself to share it with the world. There's this really good thrift store. I'm not going to expose the name of it, but feel free to message me if you want to know the name of it. But they do a $1 day where everything in the entire store is $1, a 50-cent day, 25-cent day. You can't lose. Let's start here.
Jeez.
I decided that I want to be different, so I don't really know what I'm going to do with these. This can go really well like around your neck, or go like around your, actually I don't know if it's big enough. It can work as a belt. You could like dangle it like this, do something like that with it. So just some fun ideas, you know. Let's start with the shoes. Drum roll, please. I don't know what the purpose is of that. It's like, oh hi. Didn't realize that was there. Also, story behind this mirror, I got this at a thrift store. It was just a plain wooden mirror that had nothing on it. It was old, stained, and basically what I did is I got it, sanded it down a little bit, and then I went on Amazon and I ordered a 250 variety pack of stickers and just stuck them on. Anyway, let's jump into our first item. I got these on $1 day, and they're Nike Air Maxes, and they're just maroon. By the way, everything here has been washed like several times too, even though like it's still maybe kind of gross, the idea that they were someone else's, but I like to think that everyone has good hygiene, and now I'm holding these and I just don't know what to think. But they're cute. Next item we have here, they're just Adidas, and they're very patriotic, red, white, and blue. Somehow managed to find my size. I don't know how, but your boy did. Your boy. Sorry, I told myself that I'm done saying your boy. But apparently we're not. These you may have already seen in an Instagram picture, I'm not sure, but they are Nike combat boots. They're so freaking cool, and they have on the back, I don't know if you can see, but they have like a little teal-ish colored Nike sign. But they're super cool, and they look really cool with, cool. They look really good with like high-waisted black jeans. Next thing, I ruined these in the wash already, kind of. But they're red New Balance shoes. I guess we're just doing shoes first, because that's just the way it worked out, so. Next we have a pair of Vans. This was like a really happy day when I found these. And the last pair of shoes I'm showing you, Camo Old Navy, like, they kind of, I don't know, they're just Old Navy brand, and they're just camo shoes. And it doesn't even add up to be that much, because like, think about 50-cent day, 20 items for $10, and that concludes the shoes. I don't know, I just can't shop at retail stores anymore. An item, if I see an item at a retail store, for me to buy it, it would have to be like either jaw-dropping, or I'd really just have to have a lot of money in my bank account. Just can't do it. Alright, let's jump into some clothing items. Let's start with these. Got this pair of jeans, and they're basically just like a cool off-gray plaid color. Super cute, super fun, and they're high-waisted, so, you know, I love pollen so much. Next, we have this cute little Nascar sweatshirt, and it literally even, I don't know why I never wear this now that I'm looking at it. And it has NASCAR embroidered on the sleeve. This is the back of it. Feel free to message me if you want to buy any of these items too. But now all of your bids will be super low, considering you know how cheap I got them. but you know, if you like it enough, you'll place a good offer. It's probably like the only summery item I'll show you. These are high-waisted shorts and they're just super cute. I think they were pants originally, but I cut them. Actually, I know they were pants originally and I cut them. Next thing is this oversized hockey type jersey, and I just thought it was super cool because the pattern on it and then the mesh sleeves, and I just like, I've been like really into oversized things lately, and this is kind of cool because it goes past my butt. You can do it for like going out, or you can do it for casual. The next thing is literally a jersey from Foot Locker, and I think it's what, I'm pretty sure it's what the employees wear there, but I saw it, and like, I'm very into black and white. I was thinking I'll either cut it into a crop top, or cut holes in it, or do both. I guess I could like wear it like this and sort of tuck it in or do something like that, but I don't know. It just looks kind of bland right now. It makes me look like a Foot Locker employee, which nothing's wrong with that, but it's just not the vibe I want to go for. Next thing, actually I don't know if I'll include this in the video, but I wear this shirt a lot, and I don't know, I don't mean it in this way, I just like the way the shirt looks, and I just think it's fun. Next thing is very different, and I don't know if I'll ever wear it or when I'll wear it, but when the opportunity presents itself is when I'll wear it. I have no idea what SCSO stands for, but it's basically an oversized black shirt that's like a turtleneck too, and it just says this in gold on it, and I just thought it's cool. I thought it was a whole vibe, so sorry that in advance the next thing has a stain on it. It's from me because I've actually worn it already, but it's this oversized, old school, I guess you would call it just like a sweatshirt. It's very thick, and this is what the back looks like. It has the numbers 96 on it. Don't know what that means, but I really, really vibe with it. This one, I've already posted a picture in, but I'll probably wear it 400,000 other times. Originally it was like a normal t-shirt, but I cropped it, and you literally can wear it with anything, and it's super comfortable, and I feel like it's very cute as well. The next thing is not your typical everyday wear. I literally have no idea when I'm gonna wear this. I feel like eventually there'll be a time where I can wear this, and I'll just be really thankful that I have them. But they're these gold glittery pants, and on the sides they have this stripe on them. I don't know if you can see, but they're huge, and they're just like, just very airy and fun, and they fit my waist, which is the important part, and then the rest of it's just baggy and fun. The next pair of pants, I had to cut the bottom of them because the ankles were too tight. Like I couldn't get it over my foot. They're super cute, and they're super trendy now too, so I was really actually excited to find these. The brand is Limited America. I don't know if that means anything to anyone. And they're super fun, super cute. Next thing is these little fun camo Capri pants. They're not super long, like, I don't know if you can see, they go, I don't know what I'm doing. They basically go, well, they go to where these pants go. They're just really fun, and they fit my waist and my butt really well. I think they're super cute and would be really fun to wear with like a white t-shirt, just something simple. And then like fun oversized shoes like the Filas or something like that. Next thing is this Reebok Crop top, and this is literally the best find ever. Falls like right here. Not only is it a crop top, but it's a sweatshirt, so you can be comfy, cute, and warm all at the same time. Next thing I found, wow, the light sort of reflects off it a little bit, but it's this silverish gray charcoal vibe, but it has these roses print on it, and it's made of silk, and it's super thin. Next shirt, I just got a week ago. I wore it for the first time a couple days ago, and this is just like a typical dress shirt, but I like that it has like these lines going down it, so I was thinking I can make this into a crop top as well, or you can go for like the tucked in vibe. Next thing is this jacket, and it's, I mean, you would think it's Adidas. It's off-brand, but who would ever know? Next thing, I also already posted a picture in, Guilty. I don't know what, like when I get things and I don't know what the letters mean, I sometimes just like assume it's the worst. Especially when it's really cute and no one's picked it up yet, so I'm like, I don't know what this means. But it's this big jacket, and it's purple. It says BLDD or BIDD or BIOO, or BIPP, or BLPP. If anyone knows what any of those combinations of letters mean, let me know. And then the back is this super cool pattern, and I love it because it has gold in it, it has purple, it has everything. Just next thing was a marvelous find. This is the type of thing that I see at Macy's in the Calvin Klein department. It's basically this mesh hoodie. It has a hood on the back. This will be really great for a music festival because you can still breathe through it, and when you put it on you can fully see underneath, which is super fun and scandalous and different. Like, you can fully see through it. And I love that it's long sleeve too. We're getting down to the last few items here, ladies and gents. These are a pair of, yet again, oversized sweatpants. It's actually a faded checkerboard. Oh, now you can see. Yeah, it's like a faded checkerboard print on them. So I thought they were super cute, and I don't know when I'm gonna wear them. Ow! Ow! I literally just hit myself in the stomach. Like that just actually took the breath out of me for a second. Okay, next thing I love. Like, I literally love. I feel like a lot of you guys may not like it, but it gives me like Black Bear meets Billie Eilish vibes. Billie Eilish vibes. I don't know. Something like that. But it's this massive. I swear to God, it's so heavy. It's this huge, oversized yellow jacket or orange. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna put this on because I kind of want to show how it does. I know it doesn't work with this outfit, but I want to show how big it truly is. Like, it's actually massive. It's sad because I won't be able to wear it for like a long time because it's so. Oh my gosh, there's literally pockets everywhere. Yeah, but it's super fun and it's gonna be great for if I either travel anywhere cold or whenever winter comes back around, or if I just want to be like bougie and like walk around like, hey, look at that big jacket. With that one now. This is just an ordinary plaid shirt, but I really like it because it's just simple, you know? It's a good comfy, not too in your face. I feel like it's just cute and I like the color. This was a good find. These are basically just high-waisted black jean pants, and I was so happy to find these because they're like those really good, solid, thick ones that fit perfectly. Like, the waistline is very small, but they're like kind of like big and baggy, but fit perfect, if that makes any sense at all. Next, even better, hide them. Picture those nice black high-waisted jeans, but picture them in purple. Very good find, super happy about it. The waist is the same size, and I know they look absolutely massive like this, but they're so cute, I kid you not. So, like, I am so mad that it's about to be summer because I really just want to wear all of this. The last item, or second to last item that I'm going to show today, but it's just grabbed for it like a maniac. It's just like this purple-ish, pinkish tie-dye shirt, but I already have a vision. I'm just going to crop it, and it'll be a super cute crop top. And, not to mention, how good will this look with the purple high-waisted pants? I don't even know what this last item is. This is basically just, it's made of silk, and it's this flowy long-sleeve shirt. Super, like, lightweight and nice. I feel like a good idea for it is just to, like, wear it with, like, 3 buttons unbuttoned and sort of go for, like, a Simon Cowell type look or something like that. Yeah, if you guys want another thrifting video or anything like that where I actually shop at the store and turn it into like a little bit more of a vlog, then I'm definitely down to do that as well. Sorry I look like a hunchback, I'm just like trying to stay in the frame. So I feel like there's nothing else that I have to say right now. Anyway, those were all of my items that I got over the last month or so. And yeah, peace, love you guys. See you soon.